Hi everyone, this is Milan from MK Designs, and today I have a very exciting news for you guys. So we have a motorcycle with us, that's the Royal Enfield Hunter 350, and we have made some amazing products for this motorcycle. Today in this video I'm going to introduce you with the new kit that we have made. That's the CafeRacer Kit for Hunter 350. Let me tell you more about this kit. This kit is a direct bolt-on fit, just plug and play. No need to cut, weld or grind on the motorcycle. You have the kit, we'll give you all the mounts, nuts, bolts, everything that you need to install on this kit. Let me show you what all comes with the kit. So the kit consists of this frame. This is a frame that goes on this part of the chassis. So you need to remove the original subframe and install this in place of that. Then this is the tail tidy that comes along with the kit. So it fits on this and you can mount your license plate on this. And we have this light. This is the LED strip light. It's a combo light in which you get the tail light, brake light and turn signals. So again, you can directly install this under the frame and you'll have this one light which is good for all the three purposes. So now this is the seat that goes on that frame. So the best part about this seat is, first, the base has been made in fiber. Second, the cushioning in this seat, we have made this foam by molded procedure. So what happens in aftermarket bikes, the seat is hand shaped, so there's no consistency in the density of the foam, and eventually in some time the cushion goes bad, so the shape is not retained. Then about this cowl, so this is again a bolt-on fit on the seat. You just need to remove these two Allen bolts. You can just remove the cowl by pulling it out. Let's install the CafeRacer kit on this motorcycle. Let me show you how it's done, how quickly and how easily you can do it. So finally the CafeRacer seat has been installed on the Hunter. So in the CafeRacer kit, we are selling the CafeRacer seat, this frame, tail tidy and the LED tail light. This comes as a combo which is necessary for the installation of the CafeRacer seat. As add-on, we have the fairing and the cowl. This will come color matching to your fuel tank and will be matched to the stock colors of your tank. Additionally, we are going to develop a small side panel which will come as an add-on accessory later on. You can now buy the product directly from our website. If you have any query, feel free to contact us on the given details.